Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Nearly 70 flights were cancelled across the United Kingdom and train services were disrupted amid Storm Kathleen. Storm Kathleen hit the United Kingdom on Saturday with a strong gust of wind affecting large parts of the country. A yellow weather warning has been issued in the northwest and southwest of England, parts of the Northern Ireland, Scotland and Wales from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Sunday. Gusts of 70 miles per hour are expected in some parts of the country. Nearly 70 flights departing and arriving at United Kingdom airports before midday on Saturday and Sunday have already been cancelled. Multiple flights have also been diverted. The experts are linking warmer temperatures across the United Kingdom to the storm. The storm was the reason for the warmer temperatures because the location of the storm was situated out towards the west of the United Kingdom. That brought a southerly wind across the United Kingdom, a Met Office meteorologist said. This brought those warmer temperatures from the continent, meaning temperatures up to 22 degrees Celsius were expected. Storm Kathleen has caused disruptions in the train services across the Scotland, and Network Rail Scotland had decided to slow the trains across the several main routes from midday on Saturday. Train passengers have been advised to check routes before traveling. Amid the strong winds caused by the Storm Kathleen, thousands of the homes in Ireland have been left without electricity. The storm has caused flooding in many areas, and River Ouse has burst its banks, flooding roads in the York city centre. Flood warnings have been issued for the River Thames. And according to the latest Met Office update, the Storm Kathleen continues to bring strong winds to the United Kingdom. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. Thank you.